Welcome, today I am with Redmi Buds 3 and I want to show you how you can perform hard reset of this device. So as you can see, currently I'm connected with this earbuds, everything is fine. But if you want to perform the hard reset, you have to grab the case, click and hold this button on the front for at least 10 seconds. Keep holding right now and just take a look on this indicator. As you can see right now, it's blinking quickly, so it means that the hard reset is finished and we can release that button. So right now, when I close the case, open it one more time to enable the pairing mode, and when I try to connect them back, as you can see right now, we are not connected anymore. We are disconnected. So right now, all I can do is just simply accept the pairing request and connect them another time. And it means that the hard reset was successful because all devices were restored to the default, all connections that we linked to this device. So, one more time, to perform the hard reset, you have to click and hold this button on your case for at least 10 seconds until this indicator starts blinking quickly. And after that, you have to just release that button. So, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.